Okay, so basically I started off with the Taliah Waajid shampoo in the shower. And I'm just showing you guys the consistency of it, how opaque it is, and how runny it is, and moisturizing it is. And up next, I did the apple cider deep conditioner with the same line. And like I said, it's really, really runny. The consistency is different than my other deep conditioners that I'm really not used to. But it's still a really good deep conditioner overall. It has this tacky feel to it as well, something that's really different for me as well. So my hooded dryer is broke right now at the moment. So right now I'm using my blow dryer just to add some heat to my hair. And I'm doing that for about 10 to 15 minutes right now. And then I'll do another 10 to 15 minutes with a winter cap, just trapping that heat in. Just to rinse the deep conditioner out of my hair. And I have to say, my hair feels really, really, really soft. Really soft. Like, I really, truly enjoy using this product. So up next, I'm going to just use the Taliah Waajid Green Apple and Aloe leave-in conditioner, and it's a spray. I'm just going to take the top of it. And basically, you can use this as a daily leave-in conditioner, or you can use it as a deep conditioner, or you can use it to refresh, but I'm using it just as stated as a leave-in conditioner. So I'm just going to spray this all throughout my hair. Okay, this spray thing is not it for me. I'm just gonna open it up and do this. Yeah. Put it in my hands, because this stuff is way too thick to be just trying to spray it in your hands. So we're just gonna put that all throughout my hair. I'm gonna put a little bit more, squeeze some in my hands. Working that through. I'm not being rough, I'm just applying the leave-in conditioner all throughout my hair. And it's a really good leave-in conditioner. I've had it for a while, so not too bad. All right, and as you know, I do the lock method, which is the leave-in, oil, and cream. So I'm going to go ahead and add my oil, and this is just a DIY hair oil that I made, and I just put it in the Aloe Naturals Essential 7 bottle, because I like this bottle a lot. So I'm just going to pour this through my hands. Just kind of rub it through. Scalp. Some moisture going. Put that oil all throughout my hair. There we go. So what I'm gonna do, after I apply the oil, I'm just gonna take my Felicia Leatherwood brush and just kind of like brush out the section. Okay, make sure it's tangled, and then I'm gonna go in with the Taliah Waajid Green Apple and Aloe Curl Definer as my cream. And it's really, really thick. See, it's a really thick paste. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that all throughout my hair. Put that through. And then define it again. Those curls popping. Y'all see them curls? Right on top, I'm just going to use the Taliah Waajid Apple and Aloe Hold Me Down Jelly. And it looks like a jelly. See? Kind of cream curly too. So right on top, I'm just going to add that on top of it. Just to give it that hold. And then I'm going to twist. Do a twist out. So I'm going to do a rope twist. I love rope twists. So I'm just going to take a section, and I'm going to take a piece of the section, start with a two-strand twist, and I'm going to coil as I go. See how I'm coiling as I go? So I'm doing a two-strand and a coil out at the same time, just giving it that longevity. And then I'm going to coil my ends. And voila, you got yourself a bomb rope twist. There we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair. Fingers just so my hair won't get frizzy, and I'm adding that to my fingers. And all I'm doing is I'm taking a piece of section and I'm coiling it where it naturally wants to coil. See, I'm coiling it back, giving it that memory of the coil of it. See, you don't want to over fluff because you don't want to have it frizzy. So take your time your hair. I'm gonna do it again. So just go back and recoil your hair so it remembers the pattern of it. Just take your time where it naturally wants to separate. See, I over fluff right here, so it doesn't look as great. Piece. And just naturally where it wants to separate, and then recoil it so it remembers that coil. That one got a little frizzy, so it's not a good explanation, but this looks good. I am ready. I'm going to go ahead and grab my pick. I'm just going to fluff my roots. You don't want to disturb the curls because you just worked so hard on making such beautiful curls. You don't want to disturb them. So I'm just going in really lightly and picking out my twist out. It looks really good. I'm not going to overpick because I don't want to look crazy. This is cute. Little frizz, but it's okay. Little frizz. Work through the frizz. We can work through the frizz. Work through anything. Okay. up, I did my edges a little bit. And yeah, this is the final look of my hair. I love it. I love the Taliah Waajid products with it because it really just paired really good with my rope twist style that I wanted to do. I don't see any flaking in my hair, and I do know that this style is going to hold because I do feel that medium hold cast that it is giving me. So yes, that completes my video. If you want to see more of my face, oh, before I forget, how I preserve this style, I do retwist my hair at night. So I will be retwisting my hair up at night by just doing chunky twists as usual. Yeah, so besides that, that is all. If you want to see more of my face, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.